All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Another day at it. Another day at it. Another day at it. 1 second. Let me go ahead and activate my accounts. I bet y'all, as y'all can see here, we are another day in. 49,216 in drawdown, but we will fight back. We will fight back. So that means I have to use a lower amount of risk today. Let's see if we can make something shake, at least get back towards, break even. I definitely think it can be done. I know it can be done. So it's just a matter of finding the right trade for us to do so. So what we're seeing here is us in a very, very obvious downtrend. Moved a lot yesterday, as we know. It seemed like we were getting a retrace overnight. Pre-market chopping around a very, very key level, half of the monthly range. So definitely want to expect some consolidation here. So all we need to look for now is some sort of buy side or something taken out that gives us the vibe of us wanting to go lower. So I was looking to see if the short was going to be available almost immediately, but I'm actually glad I held off because we see the bullshit that we're getting now. So let's see if maybe we take out pre-market high and then come back for pre-market low, something like that. This box right here is the new day opening gap. So if we start closing above this, using it as support, I'm definitely thinking we may need to hold off on these lows getting taken and the monthly open, which are my current downside targets. Upside, I'm really, really not worried about too much. I want to be able to follow the trend of what we're seeing. So I would hope that this is just a retrace for us to go lower, excuse me. So we'll see what we get right here at the open. Yeah, it definitely does seem possible because we would have definitely used this gap here to try to go lower if we weren't mainly at half of the monthly range. All right, yeah. I got my alert for this. I like how ES took out the high of the pre-market. Yeah, to do so on MQ. So we're back at the monthly open gap. The monthly open gap. So we're right here at it, at the higher end of it. Yeah, that's half of it. Because July 31st to August 1st, and we're right here at half of it. Well, the low of the day is at half. Get a 15-second reverse right here. I want to go short. Short there. I want to see lower today. Stop will be 930 high. I want to see now if we can start to reject the high of that hourly gap like that. That'd be perfect, just like that. We look to add one more contract if we can get it. Pretty small first gap. It was 931. No chance that. That's okay. New all day. Got half of the hour right at. Mhm. Let's see how this 5 minute close. Mhm. Mhm. 30 decent reaction from the hourly gap on the 5 minute. We went to the higher with the see how this 15 minute closes. Right, so we are approaching our first target here at the new low of the day. I want to see if we can go for the monthly open. Definitely want to pay attention to how we act here at this low. We think I'm gonna take both off and leave one on, move to break even once we clear the slow out. Hopefully they don't leave it equal how they've been doing all week. Mhm. Definitely right here in this bearish gap, seeing an version of it, definitely getting the vibe of what I've been doing the same thing that they've been doing the past few days, leaving equal lows, running higher. So, I mean, yeah, I definitely do too. I just know they on bullshit. Definitely just continuing to watch that hourly gap. Would want to see rejection of it. The bottom. Sorry about that. Having me. Yeah, that can definitely just be a new high of 940. I do like that. Definitely has some adding opportunities in there. If it was a little cleaner, but okay. There we go. Flush. Not a bit there. All right. Last contract to break even. Let's see what we can do. What type of stretch do we get? Do we stop right there, or do we try to go straight for the monthly open? Now that we have an order block here, we definitely would not want to see that order block disrespected. Mm-hmm. Nice stretch here, y'all. Definitely looking like we're going to get that monthly open. All right, there goes the monthly open. How do we act here at the monthly? Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and close there. That'll be the trade for the account. 300. Very nice. So on our way back towards the break even point, which is great. Using the right amount of risk. So that's really, really good there. I think I'm gonna call it there for this account. As you can see, today's video was extremely quick doing the right things. So we're chopping away at that, getting back to break even, and then we'll be able to get into profit. So very, very solid there. One and done. I'll see you guys on the next one.